Okay guys, we got a 2025 GMC Yukon XL. I'm going to show you how to replace this cabin air filter. So you're going to open the glove box like so. Over here, you're going to pop that out. And you're going to do the same thing on this side. And there goes that. So it's not what we wanted to happen, but we can figure this out. I don't even know where this was at. Anyways, this right here is the cabin air filter. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop this out. So you're gonna push this down and then you can pull it out to the left. And that removes that cabin air filter. You see the arrows are pointing down. Just get it removed, check it out, see if it's any good. I'll link one in the description. This one's actually not that bad, but you can decide if you want to replace it or not. So if you have the dealership do this, they'll probably charge like say like 50 or 60 bucks. You can do it yourself for about $10 to $20 and it takes about 2 minutes. So hopefully that helps, and thanks for watching.